guys, Middle Yinzer decided to join me here. As you can see, we are still at our cabin, but we wanted to do our haul video here since we went to some thrift stores recently over our vacation against some people's best wishes, but different story there. But we're back at the cabin today after touring the battlefields. Hopefully you guys check out that video when it comes out. We have some
you scared me.
we have some we got the baby Yinzer back here just enjoying it. But today is super hot.
Yes.
The heat index is almost 110. When we just got out of the car was saying it was 100 degrees. And like I said in the one other video, us people from the east, man, are not used to this hot weather. But right now it's not too bad. We have a nice little.
The weatherman said it was going to be 100. It was going to feel like 104 degrees.
Yeah, between 104 and 110. Right now it's 100 degrees, what our car was reading. So we're back at the cabin trying to stay cool. Got the bottle of water and everything. But we're going to do a couple haul videos here from some of the thrift stores we went to. We stopped at the thrift store our first day here and then our third day here. This thrift store was a little bit different than the thrift stores that I was used to, because it was all the money went towards the local hospital. So it was kind of a hospital thrift store. A bunch of old ladies ran it. They just didn't want us filming, which was perfectly fine. There was a ton of women's clothes and kids clothing. Everything was super, super cheap. But we are also limited on space because the car is already full. So we tried to be very picky on what we found, and I think what we found is actually gonna make us some money. But make a note of it. First day we parked down there, I misread the meters and about the parking, and we came back after the thrift store and after doing something else to a $40 parking ticket for not paying the meter. Well, if you paid it within 7 hours, I think it was, or the first day, they gave it, you were able to get it down to $27. So in this stuff here, I need to make $27 back, plus what we spent of about $13 to actually break even. So the first thing we found was these Boyd's Bears, and actually Yinzer mom found them sitting there. They are the Busby Be Happy ones. We found 4 of these total, brand new in the box still, and they were $3 each, so there was $9 there. Then we found this Follow the Rugged Road to Adventure Cub Scouts, Boy Scouts, Explorers coffee mug. Picked it up for $1. I know some of the Boy Scout stuff does sell, so I think this will actually do fairly well. The other thing we found in there, and going back to the vintage clothing, was this top dollar value, they're stretch socks. And I have 4 total pairs of them. She gave these all to me for $1. So I think these are, if you sell these in lots, they do really, really well. But the most interesting thing I found that day, actually I'm gonna save that one for last. So we went back today, or the day I'm filming this, not the day you're watching this, but okay. But we found some Tupperware. Gotta get it unstuck. Found these old vintage brown ones. Only 1 lid, but we got both of these for $1. So we'll take those in a heartbeat. You know we love Tupperware. I don't know if my wife wants these or not. If they don't sell, she'll take them. And then also for $1, we found the colander in like a turquoise blue or teal. So that was cool. And then last but not least, the coolest find, I think we found it on our first day at this thrift store, was this McDonald's French fry tote bag. Super cool. It's Club 2. Doesn't even look like it's ever been used. How much did she sell this for?
I have no idea. Sorry.
I think it was like 50 cents. 50 or 75 cents she gave it to me for. All the stuff I just showed you, all the stuff, I did get some stuff today, but it was around 15 bucks total. Really cool bag. It was funny, a lady was in there while we were shopping and she said, if you don't buy that bag, I am, because I just sold one on eBay for 10 bucks. There's only, I think, 1 or 2 listed on eBay, and there has been 2 that sold between 13 and 20 bucks. So we're definitely gonna do good there. But that was our first haul video while on vacation. Remember guys, be kind, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.